Hi there, my name is Arty and I want to become a content creator here on YouTube. At the moment, my main job is producing videos. And I'm looking for more and more to make videos here. For my newest video, I've used style I've been using on my videos for a long time and I've done my own effects. I hope you enjoy it and hope there's a lot of you here on YouTube looking for videos like this. So, what makes for a good YouTube content? You can't look for inspiration in nature. You can't look for inspiration in an art gallery or a museum. You can't even look for inspiration in a book. You need inspiration to be able to create your own content, so what is that? Inspiration is what comes to you when you are looking so closely to see what is in front of you. When you are so close to it that you are making it come alive. When you are so close to it that you are a part of it and it has created you. And you are that which has created it. When you go through the pain to get what you want of it. You want it, come and get it. When you're looking in the mirror and you have an urge to do something. And you see that and you go and do it. You're looking at your life, you know? It is a reflection of you. You only see your reflection when you are close to it. How can one contribute to online community? There are so many things that we can write. But the real question is how to contribute. Not just for one video but for the community in general. The answer for the contributors in the comments. The comments are for people in community too. When you are there, you must do what you can do to contribute to the group. The group consists mainly of people from different locations and areas. Comment section is like a chat, and there are many people participating in the comments. It is a place where people can interact with each other.